Hey guys, so how are you going to reset your Schlage lock? It's pretty easy. So all you have to do is you want to disconnect the battery, use a screwdriver to unscrew the security bolts on the inside of the cover lock, then slide the inside cover away. Then you want to grab the 9-volt battery and disconnect it from the wires like this. You see it right here. The terminal plate away from the battery raised terminals. Then press and release the Schlage button once. The Schlage button is the long horizontal button that says Schlage, and above the number keypad, the button will beep and or light depending on the model, even when battery is disconnected. So you want to press and release. And then when you're going to press and release, you're going to reconnect the battery with 10 seconds of pressing the Schlage button. You then want to quickly snap the terminal plate and end of the lock's wires back to the raised terminals on 9-volt battery, and the Schlage light will turn green for 1 second. So you just want to press and hold it, and in those 10 seconds, you just want to insert the battery. And then you want to press and hold this button until it turns green and beeps. So this may take up to 10 seconds. Once the lock beeps, the factory default 6-digit programming code and 4-digit user codes will be active. And test the reset lock by entering one of the default 4-digit user codes. So that's how it's done.